Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, May 5th, and this is my analysis for gold. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on the home screen to learn more. So anyways, on gold, I definitely do have a couple different analysis going on here. If I go all the way up to like the daily time frame, I'm very, very bearish, and I actually think this might even keep on stretching out all the way down to like the 2950 area for like a wave A of wave 4. If you saw my full top down on video from Sunday, then you know exactly what I'm talking about. But then you go down to the 1 hour time frame and you come up with a completely different analysis, which for me is one, two, three waves up, wave A. Then it looks like one, two, three waves down for an a B, and a C. So an A, B, C of B. So this kind of looks like it's making it like a irregular wave B or like a expanded or running flat because it looks like a lower low wave B compared to the higher wave A. So if that's true, that means that this potentially is going to go all the way back up to like the 161 or 178% to make an ABC correction. Which, if this is how it's going to play out, then this is all going to be an ABC of B, right? Because this would be your A, this would be your B, and then eventually it would likely go back down for a bigger wave C. So that's my lower time frame analysis. This is definitely what my lower time frame makes me think. Unfortunately, the higher time frame makes me think that it couldn't make a lower high and just keep going down. So to keep an eye out for that, I have my Fibonacci retracement on this move right here. If price does bounce from a fib level and make a very impulsive move down, especially if you get a break of structure, then I would definitely scratch that first idea and just go back to looking for shorts because the daily time frame definitely makes me think that we are in a wave A downtrend. And if we are in a wave A downtrend, then it will likely bounce off one of these fib levels. So I think if you pay attention to your Fibonacci levels, pay attention to price and structure, you should be able to tell a difference about whether it's going to do this or whether it's going to keep on stretching up to about the 161, 178 for the bigger wave C of wave B. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.